Hey there, little artists. Do you love castles as much as I do? Well, today is your lucky day because I'm going to show you how to color a magical castle in a super fun way. Get your crayons ready because we're about to embark on a colorful adventure together. In the world of coloring, sometimes things can get a bit challenging, especially when you're trying to bring a majestic castle to life on paper. But fear not, because I'm here to make it easy and enjoyable for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a masterpiece fit for a king or queen. Let's start by coloring the castle walls, towers, and flags. Remember to use simple and vibrant colors to make your castle pop. Don't be afraid to get creative and add your own unique touch to each part of the castle. This is your chance to let your imagination run wild. Now, here comes the most exciting part, the special glitter paint. This magical paint will add a touch of sparkle to your castle, making it shine like never before. Watch as your castle transforms into a shimmering wonderland right before your eyes. It's truly a sight to behold. To wrap things up, let's recap the steps we took to color the castle. Remember, coloring should be fun and easy, and the end result is always worth the effort. I hope you had a blast coloring your castle with me today, and I can't wait to see the colorful masterpieces you create. Before we say goodbye, I want to encourage you to share your colored castles in the comment section below. I'd love to see your creativity in action. And if you're hungry for more coloring tutorials, don't forget to check out the other videos on my channel. Until next time, happy coloring!